Hey, thanks for the cash. All mine now.
Sometimes, I come back to places like this in my mind, to things that were once alive, once beautiful, once full of purpose.
Look at this rust. It's eaten right through the metal. This car has been sitting here for decades, but we're gonna bring it back to life.
This was one of them, a Ferrari Enzo, or what's left of it now. I remember when things like this felt untouchable, perfect, powerful, almost unreal. But time doesn't care about how something used to be seen. It only moves forward, quietly, without asking. Now it's here, silent, covered in dust, forgotten by everyone who once admired it. And still, I can't help but look at it differently. Because even in this state, I see what it used to be. Every mark on it feels like a memory it never got to say out loud. Every damaged part feels like something that was left behind too early.
This beauty is about to get reborn. And trust me, it's gonna be absolutely breathtaking.
I know people would call this just metal, just parts, just something broken. But when I look at it, it doesn't feel like that. It feels like something that's been waiting for someone to notice it again, to care again, to bring it back from silence. As I watch it being taken apart, piece by piece, I don't feel destruction. I feel honesty, like everything hidden underneath is finally being seen again. The dust, the wear, the silence between the parts. It all starts to disappear slowly. Not all at once, never all at once, but enough to remind me that nothing is truly gone, only hidden. And as each part is cleaned, restored, reconnected, it feels like I'm watching time move backward, not fixing what was broken, but remembering what was forgotten. There's something deeply sad about it too, because every restored detail carries the weight of what it used to be. It's not just becoming new again, it's becoming something that remembers its past. Piece by piece, it starts to return, not as it was, but as something that survived. And I think that's what hurts the most, and what's most beautiful at the same time. That even after everything, it still comes back. Slowly, quietly, completely. From silence to presence again. From forgotten to seen again. And maybe that's what I needed to believe too. That nothing beautiful ever truly disappears. It just waits, until someone is ready to see it again.